Hey friends, if you wish to fix ERR cache miss error on your Windows computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. Here's what we have to do. First of all, search for Chrome in the Windows search bar and open Google Chrome. Now, click on these three dots at the top right corner, select History and click on History once again. Click on Clear Browsing Data, change the time range to all time, click on Delete Files. Basically, we have to delete the cache since this issue is associated with the cache. If that doesn't help, then click on these three dots at the top right corner, go down to Help and then select About Chrome and let it update itself. It may or may not update depending upon the situation, and then you can go to Reset and Reset Settings and reset them to the default value. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.